Hello everybody, welcome to College Junior's Thoughts and Education. Today we have Ms. Kakuli Gupta, Head of the Department of MBA of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Management and Computer Science, Kolkata. A warm welcome to you, ma'am. Ma'am, before I move on to the Q&A part, I would request you to introduce yourself to the viewers.
Okay. Uh, I'm Kakuli Gupta, Head of the Department of MBA of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Management and Computer Science. I have done my Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics and Telecommunication from Bengal Engineering College, Shivpur, which is now IIEST Shivpur. After that, I have worked in different organizations from manufacturing to IT support. Then I have done my Masters in Business Management in Operation Research and System Analysis. From onwards, I have been in education in various institutes and now I am in this particular college.
Ma'am, I would like to start with the USPs of SBI MCS. Ma'am, can you please enlighten with us with the USPs of SBI MCS, which will attract the students to pursue their career in this college?
First of all, we offer 2 years full-time MBA program. That is very essential if you want to achieve your goal in the industry, and as well as we offer dual specialization. So one will be one major paper and another one is minor paper. So again, which is going to help you to get jobs or which is going to give the students the confidence so they know the multidisciplinary or multi-specialization. As well as another good approach in our institutes is we are very open towards the students, as we are getting the students from different states as well as different mediums. So we try to interact with them, bring them in the same platform, and we do it rigorously. That is the main advantage we are having.
Ma'am, now if I talk about the best practices in the course that you are offering, what it would be?
See, best practices means like we have students who have never done mathematics after class 10, or like we are having students who have never done economics or finance. So initially first 1 month or 2 months we give them rigorous training so they can able to understand what it is all about. Second one, we have rigorous presentations skill development. So I have many alumni in a from our institute who come back to me and say, ma'am, that first presentation, it gives me the confidence when I face the presentation in the organization. It gives me confidence. That is the achievement we have. So like rigorous practice, rigorous teaching, then we have mentor and mentorship programs, as well as we have 8 weeks full internship program that we send all the students to the industry.
Ma'am, now if you can give us some valuable insights of the program that you are offering.
As we are offering the master's program, so students are eligible to go any of the field. They can go industry. If they want to do PhD program, they are also eligible. That is the added advantage we are having over diploma courses. As we are again offering the various specialization like marketing, human resource, finance, business analytics, operations and healthcare management. Healthcare management we introduced recently, as we all know that it is a growing industry. So we try to give, and as well as it is a dual specialization program. So students are having two specialization from the same course. That advantage we are having.
Ma'am, now if I talk about that, how does the programs ensuring that the students are being prepared for the future as well?
Now it is very difficult as industry is rapidly changing day by day, and there is lots of disruption is happening over the development of digital technology, artificial intelligence, and there is a rigorous change in the information technology industries also. So my suggestion to these students is to or groom them so that they can able to learn new skills continuously. And another thrust I give to the students, that build networking. So lots of opportunities they get from their alumni, as well as they we have a industry academia internship. Many industry experts comes and gives their input to the students, and that advantage we are having in our institute.
Ma'am, now being a head of the department of MBA, what are your roles and responsibilities towards the students?
So it is like building an environment where like everyone is free to communicate with each other. It is among the faculties also, they are free to give any input to me, how we can improve our educational environment, how teaching can be improved, whether any new training can be incorporated, or whether new skill is required, or from their group of friends also sometimes they invite the industry experts to give lectures to the students. For student also we have open door mechanism, like at any point of time they can open the door in the faculty room and come and they can discuss their problems, as well as if they don't able to understand any particular concept, they can have a contact with that particular respective faculty. After college hours they can have their tutorial sessions.
Lastly, if you can give some advice to the students who wants to pursue their career in MBA from SBI MCS.
See, in MBA, initially maybe sometimes you don't get results, but MBA gives you that particular confidence so that you become more employable, because there is lots of competition in the industry to get a job. It gives you the added advantage over others, over other graduates, that you know what is happening inside the in a particular business. As dual specialization, you are having the enough skill so that you compete in that particular field. As well as another suggestion I give, that every time you have to new learning has to be incorporated in your career.
It's a pleasure from us to have you with us today. So thank you so much from College Dunia's whole team.